Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Tech Savvy Engineer. This is an unboxing video of OnePlus Buds Pro in matte black color. This is the overview of the box from each side. Now opening the seal of the box, which is a plastic seal. Removing the plastic. Opening the box. Putting the box down. Now taking the case in hand and putting aside. There is a sticker which shows the OnePlus Bud opening area. Removing the leaflet and seeing what is inside the box. This is a red envelope. There are some documentations in the envelope. These are the red cable club, the let's get started card with some information and never settle branding. Then the safety and warranty card with some documentation. Putting these things aside. These are some extra ear tips with different sizes to fit the ear. Now closing the leaflet and putting it aside. This box has charging cable. The charging cable can be used for charging the earbud case. It can be used with dash charger, USB charger, power bank and PC or laptop. Now holding the earbud case with some BIS marking. Removing the plastic. Now opening the case. This is the white LED which is blinking, which is showing its Bluetooth connectivity. And this is the earbud, right one. This is the left one. Closing the box. Now the green LED is blinking. The BIS marking. Now opening the seal of the charger cable. Now inserting the charger cable at the back where the charging spot is there. Removing the cable. That's all. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.